Let's start from the Brella homepage. In the top right corner, click Sign In. You can sign up using a Google account or an email address. We suggest using your work email. Here, you can fill out fields for your name, create your password, and even customize your profile with a background banner and profile picture. Fill out your job title and organization. Then, after accepting the Brella terms and conditions, click Join Event or Community and enter your DynamicsCon virtual join code, DCON March 23. Hit join and now you're in. By filling out the following fields, Brella's matchmaking with artificial intelligence will then suggest people you may want to meet. Here, you can introduce yourself to potential colleagues, select your region, then hit continue. Now, time for some matchmaking. Here, you're able to select your interests to find similar professionals in the field. Search for your interests or select from the choices in each pre-populated category. Don't worry, you can select multiple choices in each category. When you're done, hit finish and you'll be taken to the DynamicsCon virtual Brella page. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss any important updates. And below that, on the right side of your screen, you can edit your profile. Here, you can change your profile picture, your company information, and edit your introduction. Remember, the more you introduce yourself, the stronger your networking will be. Don't forget to check out event information in the bottom right corner and explore these tabs on the left side of your page to become familiar with the event. DynamicsCon Virtual will have lots to offer.